Whatever inspires me, that becomes my subject. Always think how I can effectively express my emotions, how I can communicate my intended narrative using all kinds of design components. So that's important to me. I am Keiko Tanabe. I'm a watercolor artist. Well, I believe painting is a communication. You have a story to tell, and you have to start with that. First, you will work out a strong composition, and then think about overall design to support the narrative. And then your work is finished, you go back to your initial vision and analyze and critique your work. The splash competition is very prestigious, and it has a long history. I felt I became a part of that legacy and history in the watercolor community. That was an incredible, amazing feeling. Because being recognized, it's huge, it's a milestone. What I looked at as a juror, first is a strong composition and also technical proficiency. I spent days looking at all the entries, and I was just mesmerized with a wide variety of subject matters. But more than anything, what was important to me as a juror was how effectively and artistically artists communicated their vision. In the watercolor painting, your paper and paints support your expression, and the brushes become your arm and fingers. Both sides need to work together, and there has to be a certain level of chemistry to blossom into a lasting relationship. I don't think you should worry too much about the result. I just want you to be proud of your achievement. So don't paint for the competition. Just keep working hard and try your best each time. Keep putting your work out there, and the world will appreciate you. Brick Art Materials is the proud sponsor of the Splash Watercolor Competition. Brick has the creative tools you need for your next art project or idea. Get inspired and explore over 90,000 creative products online at dickbrick.com or experience yourself at a store near you.